Good morning to everyone. Myself Gautam Kumar. Today video presentation on classification of solids. Classification of solids. According to electric conditions, solids are classified into three types. There are conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. Definition of solids. Conductors. A material which allows flow of electrons freely and conductivity is also freely is known as conductors. Semiconductors, a material which allows flow of electrons partially or moderately and conductivity is moderate, is known as semiconductors. In semiconductors, there are two types of semiconductors. There are intrinsic semiconductors and extrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductors and extrinsic semiconductors are impure semiconductors. Insulators, a material which does not allow flow of electrons is known as insulators. Conductor. The energy gap between the conductive band and valency band is zero. It conducts electricity very easily. It have large number of free electrons. Example, copper and silver. Semiconductors. The energy gap between the conductive band and valency band is very low. Its conductivity is also very low. Example, silicon and germanium. Examples for intrinsic semiconductors also is silicon and germanium. And examples of extrinsic semiconductors are p-n junction diode, p-type and n-type semiconductors. Insulators. The energy gap between conductive band and valence band is very high. There is no conductivity. Example, rubber and plastic. Properties. Electric conductivity in conductors are very high. Energy gap in conductors are approximately equals to 1 eV. Temperature effect in conductors are conductivity decreases. Charge carriers in conductors are free electrons. Electrical conductivity in semiconductors are moderate. Energy gap approximately equals to 3 eV in semiconductors. Temperature effect. Conductivity increases in semiconductors. Charge carriers in semiconductors are electrons and holes. Electrical conductivity are very low in insulators. Energy gap are no energy gap between the conductive band and valency band in insulators. Temperature effect. Conductivity. Temperature effect almost no effect in insulators. Charge carriers are negligible. Charge carriers are negligible in insulators. Conclusion. By the classification of solids, conductors are used for carrying current and semiconductors are used for sensing and control and insulator for protection of the equipment. Thank you.